First on Fox, though, many students and families out and about on this spring break, just taking a break and celebrating. Others looking forward to next week. That, of course, is when a lot of people will be celebrating St. Patrick's Day.
But as the state eases some COVID restrictions, some businesses aren't ready to go there just yet, even after a year of struggling to survive. Fox 10's Irene Snyder is live with more. Irene.
Ryan and Linda, this coming week, many spring breakers will be coming home, visiting back with their families. Other people gearing up for St. Patrick's Day. So combining those two different things, a lot of groups together, potential spread for COVID-19. But one health expert that I spoke with says this time around, he doesn't actually think there's any need to sound the alarm. Spring break and St. Patty's Day, two events that normally signal mass get-togethers, once may have caused plenty of concern among health officials about the spread of COVID-19. But at this point, Executive Director of the Arizona Public Health Association, Will Humble, says he's not too worried.
Bottom line is we're headed in the right direction in terms of the number of cases.
Humble says that with more and more seniors getting vaccinated and much of the younger crowd already exposed to COVID-19, the risk of spreading the virus is much lower than it was even a month ago. He predicts the holiday and the break may lead Arizona to have some more cases than it otherwise would have had, but he does not believe it will lead to another surge.
I think what we would see is what would have been a steady decline ends up being sort of a flattening out.
But Rosie McCaffrey's Irish Pub is still taking it easy this St. Patty's Day, encouraging people to order curbside meals so they don't fill up inside.
Pushing our to-goes. We have to-go packages for liquor and beer, and we have to-go packages for food. We really like to promote people still partying, but doing it at home and doing it safe.
But whether they celebrate in the pub, in the parking lot, or in the comfort of their own homes, the hope is that the road may rise up to meet them wherever they are and keep them healthy.
Good job of trying to keep everybody okay and still celebrate St. Patty's Day at the same time.
And as for Humble, he says his main focus right now is turned to getting the vaccine more readily available for everyone as soon as possible. Reporting live tonight in Phoenix, I'm Irene Snyder for Fox 10 News.